Hello.
You
Hello, piano girl.
sister's toy. What do you say?
Calling. Oh, oh, oh.
Sorry.
Oh, oh, oh.
I'm sorry.
Good job. Maybe don't push it over.
Mama gave you an extra
Hi.
special gift.
Good girl.
Very good. Mama and Dada took you in with a kiss every night. What do you say?
Good girl. Good girl. Come on, walkies. Hello.
Does anyone want to play parade?
Parade? How do you play parade?
All you have to do is get a menu. Because it's a restaurant parade. And I'm going to get you a menu. Now let's get an order.
Here comes Samantha.